So Brook knows hot. You can say hot. He knows that our drinks are hot, but I would still never trust him to be left with a hot drink around or a hot drink on the edge of the table. We have had a coffee cup that's kind of we've been sitting on the floor, it was next to me, and he went to grab it really quickly and it didn't get him, it did spill all over the floor. So the hot drinks, definitely just keep them away from the edge of the table. Again, just keep your eye on your drinks, make sure they can't reach, because his little hand can reach around the top of the table even if his head can't see up there. And also with the oven, he knows the oven's really hot and he says hot, hot. But just the other day he wanted to put his hand on the oven to like see what's hot. So just with the kitchen, I would just say have someone help you out, watch baby if you can, and if you don't have anyone home with you while you're cooking dinner, just restrict the little one's access so that you know that they're going to be safe and they're not going to find out what hot is when you're not looking.